Here's what you have to do to get your first client. And this is what I had to do as well. Step one, before anything, you have to be a fantastic coach. Two, there is a mindset that's required for success. I think the reason I was able to struggle for 6 months is because I had that mindset, and I still do. Three, all right, now you're ready to go. My mistake was I didn't position myself powerfully. In fact, anything that starts with I, not powerful. If you want to succeed, you're going to have to position yourself powerfully. Then we're going to move to getting visible. And these are the four. The first is relationship marketing, right? Referrals. The second is educational marketing. Number three, leadership roles. What we recommend is that you choose quality over quantity. Find a couple of organizations where you can be a leader, not just a member, but a leader. The fourth is online marketing. Be careful here. This could be a rabbit hole or series of rabbit holes that could very much distract you. Five, have the right package and pricing. So you want to have the right package. We'll help you design it, but it's real simple. You know, it's basically how long do we meet? How often do we meet? What assessments do we do? What do we charge? You want to have that in your back pocket. Learn the natural conversations that close engagements. In our program, in your member area, there's demonstrations of coaching the client through the buying processes. Finally, 7, create a long-term relationship. So your first client is a domino. That client can open up new opportunities for you, right? Continuing the coaching with the same client, providing perhaps new services for the same client, like new assessments or a strategic retreat or a retreat with their team about a big issue they're facing. And maybe the client refers you to someone else, whether inside or outside the organization.